Friends, people like you and me who are little mad over plants, we often visit nurseries to get some plants. And those plants come in different kind of nursery pots like these black color plastic pots or this kind of small terracotta pots or something like this one. We eventually build an entire inventory of this kind of pots. We keep this with us thinking that we will utilize them later on. But when time comes, we think that no, these are not pretty enough and we buy new planters or pots. To address this problem, I thought of giving these pots a nice makeover so that I can use them when time comes. In today's video, I will show how I did that makeover. So, welcome to Plantify. First, I started with some prep work. The smooth surface of this plastic pot will not hold the paints nicely. So, rubbed it off with a scrubber to make the surface little rough. See the scratches? These scratches will help the paint to hold. Now I covered it with black paint to give it a nice finish. The next pot is made with this kind of soft flexible plastic. I cut it into narrow strips of equal widths. And I spray painted the terracotta pot in white. Now with acrylic paints I made a mandala art on the black pot. Initially I was painting with a cotton earbud, but later I found that a toothpick is giving better finish. So after that I continued with toothpick. Making mandala is a very satisfying art. I really enjoyed making it. Next, I used jute rope for weaving a basket with this pot. This work needed patience. I completed it in 3 sittings. After completing the weaving, I added borders to hide the top and bottom portions. Now finally the planter is ready. Now to paint the terracotta pot, I took a bowl of water and used some nail paints and spray paint. Pour the paints on water surface. The paints will float. Now gently submerge the pot and carefully take it out. This kind of painting is called marble painting. And now the final reveal. I just loved how they turned out. And now, instead of throwing them, I am going to flaunt them. So friends, how do you like it? If you like this video and like the pots, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Plantify.